Hello, this is JaneGoodall in Tanzania, wishing I could be with you for this wonderful fundraising evening, but I'm with you in spirit, Mark, and all the wonderful people in Foster Parrots, and of course with all the parrots too, wherever they are, bless them. And well, since I'm here and right by the lake, Gombe National Park is just over there, I really have to send a chimpanzee greeting as well. So, from the chimpanzees, from me, everybody there tonight, please be generous because it's such a really good cause. So, I hope it goes super well, and I hope to hear great things from this evening. Bye for now.